Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. We are so happy to see you today. Before we start, please don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and share it with your friends.
Come on, click that like button. It's fun. Sharing really helps our channel grow, and we really appreciate it. This channel is all about learning English through real, simple, everyday conversations. We want you to enjoy listening, learn naturally, and even laugh a little with us.
Hi everyone, I'm Jack, and with me today is the wonderful, amazing, always smiling Maya.
Always smiling? Really? Sometimes I'm grumpy, you know.
Grumpy? Not possible. Even when you're annoyed, you're smiling.
Okay, fine. Hello, everyone. We are so happy you joined us. Today, we are going to talk about a very important topic, about yourself. This is a topic you will use all the time, at school, at work, when meeting new people, even in interviews. It's very useful for beginners.
That's right. Talking about yourself is one of the first things you need to learn in English because it helps you introduce who you are, what you like, and what makes you, you.
And we will show you how to do it naturally, just like two friends talking. So let's start. Jack, tell us about yourself.
Okay, wow, that's a big question. Where do I start? My name is Jack. I am 28 years old. I live in a small apartment in the city. It's not very big, but it's cozy. Some people say it looks like a cave.
A cave? Really? Sometimes, yes. You keep your lights very low, and it feels mysterious.
That's right. Low light makes me look mysterious. And I work as a graphic designer. I love my job because I get to create things, draw, design posters, and use colors. It's fun and matches my personality because I'm very visual.
True. You always draw little sketches when we plan episodes. And what else?
I like coffee a lot. Some people say I drink too much coffee, but I don't agree. I think the world drinks too little coffee.
5 cups a day is too much, Jack.
But they are small cups.
They are huge.
Okay, maybe too much. Anyway, I enjoy sports sometimes, movies, video games, and hanging out with friends.
And how would you describe your personality?
I think I'm friendly, not too shy, not too outgoing. I like making jokes, even if they are bad jokes.
True. Your bad jokes are special.
Thank you. Now it's your turn, Maya. Tell us about yourself.
Okay, my name is Maya. I'm 26 years old. I live in a sunny apartment. Very sunny. Big windows, lots of light. Jack says it feels like walking into heaven.
Or a very bright oven.
I love sunshine. I work as an English teacher, and I love helping students learn. I teach beginners, kids, and adults. I like seeing them get better and gain confidence in English. In my free time, I like reading, cooking, and going for slow walks outside. Sometimes I listen to music or podcasts while walking.
And you love bookstores.
Yes, I can spend hours there, touching books, smelling them. It's peaceful.
Smelling books? Really?
Of course! The smell is amazing. You don't get it?
Maybe I will try.
You should. So, let's talk about hobbies. Jack, what do you do in your free time?
I play video games, watch movies, sometimes draw or design small projects. I like coffee and food.
You really like coffee and food.
Yes, and sometimes I meet friends, go out for a walk, or try new activities. I like weekends for that.
And how about your personality?
I think I'm calm but playful. I like jokes, chatting, and being creative.
And I'm calm, positive, and a little patient. I like slow, relaxed activities. But I also enjoy going out sometimes.
Sounds good. So if someone asks you, tell me about yourself, what do you say first?
I usually start with my name and age, then I talk about where I live and my job, and finally I mention hobbies or interests.
Yes, same for me. You don't need to give too much information, just the main points. Name, age, job, hobbies, personality.
And you can add a fun fact, something small or interesting. For example, Jack likes coffee a lot.
True. Fun facts make conversations more fun.
Let's practice. I ask you, Jack, tell me about yourself.
My name is Jack. I am 28 years old. I live in a small apartment in the city. I work as a graphic designer. I like coffee, movies, video games, and spending time with friends. I'm friendly and I like making jokes.
Perfect. Now I ask, Maya, tell me about yourself. My name is Maya. I am 26 years old. I live in a sunny apartment. I work as an English teacher. I enjoy reading, cooking, and going for walks. I am calm and positive, and I love learning new things.
Great. You see, listeners? Very simple, very natural.
And don't worry if your English is not perfect. Just try to speak clearly and naturally.
Yes. Now let's talk about something funny. Jack, what's a funny thing about you?
Jack, tell the truth.
Okay, sometimes I spill coffee on my shirt in the morning, every week.
Every week? You look like a coffee artist.
True, I make abstract coffee patterns on my shirt.
That's one way to be creative.
And you, Maya, funny story about yourself?
Sometimes I forget where I put my keys, even if they are in my hand.
Classic.
It's true.
So, listeners, don't be afraid to talk about yourself. You can add little funny stories too. It makes the conversation more natural and friendly.
Exactly. Now, let's talk about family. Jack, do you want to tell us about your family?
Sure, I have a small family. My parents live in another city. I have a younger sister. We are close. Sometimes we talk on the phone or visit each other on weekends.
That's nice. I have a small family too. I live with my parents sometimes, but usually alone. I have one brother. He is older, and we are very different, but we get along.
Talking about family is a good part when you introduce yourself. People usually ask, do you have brothers or sisters? Or where is your family?
And it's simple to answer. You can say, I have one sister, or I have two brothers, or I live with my parents.
Exactly. And now, hobbies. What are your hobbies, Maya?
Reading, cooking, walking, listening to music, learning new things.
Perfect. My hobbies are video games, movies, coffee, drawing, hanging out with friends.
And that's it. Very simple and easy for beginners.
Yes, and if someone asks, what do you like? You can say, I like reading, I like coffee, I like video games. Easy.
And now for fun, let's do dream jobs. Jack, what is your dream job?
My dream job? I want to be a famous artist or designer, and, of course, drink coffee all day.
Naturally. And mine? I want to write books and travel the world.
Very nice. So even dreams are part of introducing yourself.
And it makes your English more interesting.
Okay, listeners, remember, when you introduce yourself, you can talk about name, age, where you live, job, hobbies, personality, family, funny facts, and dreams.
Yes, and don't forget to practice with friends, family, or even in front of a mirror.
And laugh while you do it.
Learning English should be fun.
Before we finish, don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and share it with your friends. It really helps the channel grow.
Yes, thank you so much for watching. We hope you enjoyed this conversation and learned how to talk about yourself in English.
Keep practicing, and soon you'll be able to introduce yourself naturally and confidently.
Bye, everyone!
Bye. See you next time.
And don't forget, coffee is optional, but fun stories are necessary.
Absolutely.